Hello YouTube, Jere Kirkpatrick here, and today I'm going to be installing the generator cove that you've been watching me make for the last, well, 2 episodes, and it's going to be installed on
a 289 CSX 8000 continuation Cobra, and it's replicating an early 289. So it requires a clearance for the generator on the engine, and thus we have the generator cove that Jere's made. This is patterned after an original early 289 CSX 2173, I believe.
It was a 260 originally.
Yeah,
and then
right, and these passed through Jere's hands back in the day, and so
1963.
So we're delighted to have Jere involved in actually putting this original type part on this late version continuation car.
All right, so let's get to it.
Okay, appreciate it. As the sun came out.
Perfect timing, huh?
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So are you videoing any of this, or?
Apparently not.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Every time we'd see him, we'd ask, he had the engine shop, the race shop, put a high performance 289 in it.
Yeah.
So every time we saw him, we'd say, hey, why don't you let us take that Fairlane out to the drag strip? And it just bugged the shit out of her. It got to a point where we would do it on purpose, you know. We'd see him walking around and go out of our way to just bug him. And finally, he told Leonard Parsons, he said, I'm going to give you $6,000 to take the car that they've been repainting. They repaint it like 4 or 5 times, 2 or 3 times a day. So the magazine
Yeah.
had a different car every time.
Yeah, right. Lots of production going on.
Yeah, they didn't want every magazine to be testing the same car. So he gave us $6,000 and told Leonard, he said, take that car and get it ready for drag racing, and tell those damn kids to leave me alone. You see that? How this is shaking? I had to change the way I was filing. If I kept that up, this would just keep growing. So I had to wait for the cycle. Second, let me point. What I want first is this, put it in that corner, and then hold it kind of down, and then make sure that this matches up there.
Okay, does the
I only want like one edge first.
It's you. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know
So,
too long.
this has been a long, slow walk through memory lane. I figured it's been 62 years since I used to build and install these generator coves on original 1963 Cobras. So thank you to Nari Birnbaum, who seeked me out to build and install a generator cove on his 63 replica. So now that you've seen how these generator coves were designed, the patterns for them, how I made those, did all the forming and welding, and with this last segment, how they were installed. And I think I was quite lucky in that I didn't have any control over what was filmed or the pictures or anything else. I was just too busy to keep moving cameras around. But the video and the pictures that I got, I think in this segment it gave you a realistic interpretation of how it was done back in the day. So thanks for watching. Buy me a coffee if you wish. If I'm lucky, I'll see you in the next one.